Hello. Today we're featuring the brand new Prism 24EE. This is a premier package, full body paint. Isn't that beautiful? I know you like to check out who's taking the video. So this is me, Mike Prosser, owner of the dealership, Prosser's Premium RV Outlet. Just going to do a quick walk around here. December, but it seems like spring almost. Got two slides on this, ladder to the roof, slide out toppers. Stainless steel wheel covers, built-in generator, cameras so you can see what's on the side of you as well as what's behind you. It's got the lights up on top, the window, propane outside TV, and stereo. 24EE. Alright, so I've got slides out. It has two slides. Dinette with drawers underneath, pull-out drawers, not just cupboards. Nice area over here. Little vanity if you like. Just gives you a feeling of home. Nice deep sink, 3-burner stove. That's heavy and solid. TV right above the entry door. Stereo. Electronic controls. Driver and passenger seat swivel around. Little table there, so this whole area comes a little entertainment area. You do have a sleeping area above the cab with a ladder. Refrigerator. Propane, electric, or 12 volt. This is a removable freezer compartment. If you need more fridge space, you can take the whole thing out. Going into the bedroom here. Walk around queen bed. LED reading lights. Little accent, or we can get the light itself. Got shades and privacy screens on all the windows too. So there's the screen. And of course, that's the exit. And it has this bug screen on it as well. Place for another TV. And welcome to the beautiful bathroom here. I think this is gorgeous. My wife would like this one. In fact, she does like it. She says, honey, we need a sink like that at home. Sure. All right, nice big shower. You can walk inside there. You got a skylight above, LED lights above, fan. Got lots of storage. This is right in off the bedroom here as well. Drawers. Anyway, I think you got a pretty good idea of this, including a convection microwave and 3-burner stove. 15,000 BTU air conditioner, another power vent. The AC is ducted through the ceiling. And again, this is Mike Prosser with Prosser's Premium RV Outlet. I'd love to earn your business. You can see us online at www.prosserrv.com. That's P as in Paul, ROSSER, RV.com. Thanks. Look forward to seeing you soon. We do have shipping available. So we ship right all around the country. Thanks again. Bye-bye.